Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete watch later videos on YouTube. Removing watch later videos on YouTube helps declutter your playlist, making it easier to find and watch the content you actually want to see. So let's start the video. To clear watch later videos on YouTube, open youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the YouTube menu. On the left menu, click on Watch Later option. So click on Watch Later. Here you will find the list of videos in your Watch Later playlist. So these are the videos. To delete a video, simply move your cursor over video thumbnail and then click on three dots at the right side. A menu will appear. Click on Remove from Watch Later. So click on it. Removed from Watch Later. So that's how to remove watch later videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.